over the past 2 years, trying to find their one grade chicken in Sydney. Here they sell fresh different grade level chicken. You could get a bunch of chicken fresh eggs for a large gathering. Here, I paid $1 for 1.8 kilograms of chicken. Those chickens are grain feed, cage-free without adenal harmonies. 6 kilograms of chicken wings cost around $24. Other spice blends for barbecue chicken can be found here. Here you will get chicken drumsticks fillets here. Outlet opening hours, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Saturday, 6 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Sunday closed.